Hi, welcome to Lotus Healing Reiki, and thank you for stopping by to meditate with me. Today we're going to share the Three Diamond Meditation, and in this Reiki meditation, it polishes the diamonds, the power centers of light within our body. And in the Japanese and Chinese tradition, they break up the energy centers in three main components versus the 7 chakras of the prana. So the lower chakras, your root chakra, your sacral chakra, and your solar plexus is the earth diamond. Tanden, I'm saying that wrong, it'll come to me. And then our heart is the second diamond or energy center. And then the upper chakras, the throat, the third eye, and the crown are all composed of the heavenly diamond or the heavenly center. So in this meditation, we polish them with our hands, with our Reiki hands, with our energy. So throughout our day, we can pick up worry, we can pick up anger, distress, guilt, shame, whatever we are experiencing, even grief, whatever we are feeling. Sometimes these feelings kind of block our light from shining. And the beauty of this meditation is that we can take a couple minutes and polish those diamonds, polish those energy centers with our Reiki. And it's just as simple as putting our hands over those centers. And it's a beautiful way to feel balanced and to connect with your light again. And when we do that in a grounded way, as we connect with the earth energy and the heavenly energy, our heart center opens more. And we can feel that connection again to our true selves, our bright light. So let us begin. So we'll just put our hands into Gasho with our intention of sharing the Three Diamond Meditation. And just gently connecting with your breath, bringing all of your energy back to you, all of your thoughts, all of the things that you did today, with gratitude for yourself. As we share gratitude, to share this space with each other, to feel the energy of Reiki as it's shared with each other throughout distance and throughout time. I am so grateful to share this container with you, this space to connect with our bright lights. And just gently taking 3 deep breaths in through your nose, expanding the belly, and slowly exhaling. And one more time, as slow as you can, inhaling, expanding the belly, and slowly exhaling here in the space. And one more time, breathing in divine light, bringing the light down to our lower belly, and slowly exhaling here. Feeling your body supported by the chair, your feet on the ground. Or maybe you are laying down supported, that is fine too. Just feeling that contact. And just noticing the Reiki energy flowing between your hands. And just gently putting your hands on your lower belly. This is your Hara, the earth center. And just letting the Reiki flow and feeling a connection here. Just noticing the connection, whether it's the warmth or tingling, polishing our earth center, polishing our diamond here, our energy. As we connect to earth, we're grounded, we're stable, we are enough, and we are safe. And when you feel that energy is connected, taking a breath in, inhaling, and on the exhale, moving our hands up to our hearts, our heart diamond. Gently breathing, softening the body and receiving here as we connect with our heart center. Our hands, the Reiki, polishing this diamond in our hearts, just visualizing like a diamond with a film on it, and it's getting polished and it's shining if you desire. And feeling the heart soften and expand, feeling our hearts opening, feeling safe to open, feeling worthy to receive love and freely share love. And when that energy is connected with your hands at your pace, bring the energy up. So we're going to take a breath in, bring the energy up, 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 up to the forehead, our third eye, the heavenly center. Feeling this softening here, softening the mind. Maybe with the breath, the body softens a little more. Just to receive this Reiki as it polishes this diamond in the heavenly center. Connected to the divine. Connected to source. Maybe visualizing a horizon that goes on forever, infinitely. I am free. I am open. And when you feel that energy is amplified and the diamonds being polished, taking a breath in and moving your hands down through the body, down the central channel, back down to the heart. Polishing our heart diamond with the heavenly energy, this bright light, the light of source. Polishing your heart diamond a little more, letting go of any pain or hurt. Feeling free to love and to connect with love. And taking a deep breath in, going back down to our lower belly, our Hara, down to the earth diamond, just polishing this a little more, connecting with it, imagining or visualizing or feeling this energy. As you polish this diamond, really going deep here, polishing safety, of being enough, for being just here and now. And I'll let you come back to the heart, taking a breath in, bringing that energy up again, up to the heart. Feeling your heart diamond being polished a little deeper, a little more. Feeling a little safer to share love and receive love. Of being enough and being worthy. And taking a breath in, taking our hands up through the central channel, up to our foreheads again, connecting with the heavenly diamond, heavenly center, polishing the diamond, feeling our thoughts softening even more, going deeper in the space. Imagining the galaxy, an open blue sky, or an horizon, whatever feels good to you. Feeling the energy of spaciousness, vastness. And taking a breath in and slowly bringing the energy back down to the heart. Feeling the energy in the heart, again polishing, opening a little more, going a little deeper. And taking a breath in, slowly bringing our hands down to our lower belly as we close here, just leaving our hands on our belly to ground, polishing our Hara, our power source, as we brought the love down here. We brought our heart center here as we send love to ourselves. And brought in the energy of the earth, the heaven into the earth. So we're not as stuck. We're more free. We're not as heavy. We're more balanced. We're not as overwhelmed as we can see in a spacious way. So just putting our hands into Gasho. I'm so grateful that you shared this time with me. So thanking yourself for your practice and just knowing how a couple minutes of our practice just helps us to feel better. And just sit in the space that you created, feeling the energy moving through you. Feeling balanced as all your energy centers are polished, all your chakras are open and flowing, however you perceive and know. And as we close, we share gratitude for the healing received as it's shared with each other and every being. Thank you for being with me today. Thank you for sharing the Three Diamond Meditation. As you can tell, I'm feeling very yummy, I guess would be a word, or whew, a little high in such a good way. I appreciate your energy. I appreciate you being here. And please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please reach out. I'm grateful to share my Reiki practice with you as it supports me to be accountable to my practice. And may I be supportive to you. So thank you.